Hello everyone, I came today with a delicious and attractive food, so stay with me. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press the little bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Ingredients: cherries 1 kilogram, rice 5 cups, minced meat 300 grams, onion 3 number, black pepper a teaspoon and a half, turmeric a teaspoon and a half, sumac a teaspoon and a half, sugar 4 tablespoons, saffron a quarter of tablespoon. First, finely I chop 2 of the onions. I bring the frying pan and pour some oil in it. Let the oil heat up. When the oil is hot, I add the chopped onions and let the onions turn golden. Time, grate the other onion in a bowl with a grater. Add the meat to the grated onion and knead them together well. Do not neglect your onion. Stir it every few minutes. When the onion and meat are mixed well, it is time to add spices to the meat. Add turmeric, pepper, salt, and sumac in 3 stages and knead them together well until the spice finally spread it well into the mixture and the meat tastes good. At this stage, be patient and knead the meat well. Half of the turmeric to your fried onion and mix them together. When your fried onions are golden, I put them in a separate bowl. Now we shape the meat as you see. I take the meat I want to shape with 2 fingers because I want all the meat shapes to look the same at the end. If you take the meat you want to shape with 3 fingers, the meat shapes are large and it isn't suitable for this rice. Now I add the shaped meats into the hot oil. Be careful, at the beginning do not stir the meats at all. Turn down the gas and close the lid till the meat cooked well. Now it's cherries time. At first get the cherries kernels. When the meats are slightly cooked, I remove the lid. Then I add the fried onions to the meat and stir it. I take the saffron and grind it well. Then I pour a quarter of a teaspoon in a glass and add a little boiling water to it. Now I add half of the saffron to the mixture, then leave the lid half open. Now I put the mixture on the small gas. I pour a knuckle and a half of butter on the rice, then I put it on the gas. Then I add salt and oil to it. I close the lid and let the rice water boil. I pour the cherries in a pot and add sugar to it. Then close the lid so that the cherries are cooked. When the rice boils, I leave the lid of the pot half open. When the rice water is gone and you saw the steam, collect the rice from the walls to the center and then close the lid for 40 minutes to cook the rice well. Keep a watchful eye on your cherries so that they do not spill out. When the juice of cherries come out, leave the lid half open, then turn down the gas and let it boil. As you can see, the rice is ready. I separate 2 white rice bowls for decoration. Now it's time to pour the rice in the dish. Then pour some meat and cherries on the rice and then pour white rice on it again. Have reached the sweet stage of decoration. I add some cherry juice to one of the rice bowl and some saffron to the other one. Now with these 2 bowls of coloring rice, I start decorating the dish. I fill the blanks with cherries and mints, then decorate it with pistachio kernels. I suggest you make this delicious food and enjoy it. Note that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that little bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. I hope to see you again.